Ahoy! This is Mark Politi with the reasons why having one of Enagic's water ionizers aboard your vessel is an absolute must. Actually, there are a lot of reasons, but let's assume that you are not drinking unfiltered shore water out of the faucet on your boat. That would kind of be a bad thing. And I know there are probably a lot of you who are dragging cases of bottled water onto your boats and into refrigerators and then have to store the rest, taking up valuable real estate on board. Even if you are using shore water with a filtration system between pier side and your tap, you can and should be doing much better than that. And I'm sure the only reason you're not, like most other boat owners, is because you're simply unaware of our alternative. So let me share some valuable information with you so that you can make just one minor addition to your vessel, but a major difference in the quality of the water you have on board. As indicated on the left side of this illustration, what happens when you turn on the faucet is water goes into the machine where it is first filtered. Even if you already have a filtration system aboard, all the better. That's because what comes out of the machine is largely dependent upon what goes into it, which means how good or bad your source water is will play a large role in what comes out. Although our ionizers come with a granulated antibacterial, activated charcoal, calcium sulfite mechanical filter, any pre-filtration you already have is a plus. Our filters last 1,500 gallons, and the ionizer verbally lets you know when it's time to replace it. Once the source water is filtered, then it goes into the electrolysis chamber. My friends, that is where the real magic happens. Based on the setting you select, the ionization process takes place and the water is electrically charged and separated into acidic and alkalized water. As you see here, the ionizer produces 7 different waters by way of the ionization processor that occurs in the electrolysis chamber. We simply press the button for the water we desire and the ionizer works its magic. There are 3 different drinking waters in pH levels of 8.5, 9.0, and 9.5, complete with electrolytes. The water is antioxidant, alkalized, and microclustered. There's another very interesting video on the website that illustrates the different properties and the benefits of the other pH water. Once you have seen the video or a live demonstration, you will understand why Kangen water is so very different than anything you can buy in the store. One of the reasons Enagic is considered to be the Rolls-Royce in the water ionizer industry is because it is the one and only ionizer company that is an OEM, or Original Equipment Manufacturer. Its factory is located in Osaka, Japan. The company was founded in 1974 and as of August 2019 has 34 branch offices in 22 countries with sales on a global scale. The ionizers are certified in Japan by the Japanese Ministry of Health and Welfare as medical devices and are used in more than 600 hospitals across the country. This alone should be a good litmus test for the quality of this technology. And here in the US, Enagic's SD501 and K8 models are certified by the respected Water Quality Association as manual food and beverage dispensing equipment. And of course, Enagic units come with a full top-to-bottom 3 or 5-year warranty depending on the model purchased, and with proper maintenance, they will last 20 years or more, basically a generation. But don't worry, if you sell your boat, you will definitely want to take your ionizer with you. Otherwise, you can leave it with the boat as a value added and buy a new ionizer when you move into your new vessel. You do have some interesting options about that which can be explained separately. So now the real question that logically remains is deciding which model is the right one for your vessel. The units are about the size of a standard coffee maker that sit on your counter, or it can be situated on a shelf, or in its own compartment. If that's not suitable, we also have an under-the-counter unit that's out of sight, but that model does require a bit of skill to install. You can see our different models and specs in the Products tab on this website. Let me encourage you to view the short demo video on the website so that you can fully understand the importance that all water is not created equal. As we all know, our bodies are made up of 70% to 80% water. It really does matter what kind of water you drink because it does make a difference in your body. The science behind it is indisputable. Go ahead and give me a call, shoot me a text message or an email, and I'll be thrilled to answer your questions or do a demo for you to see with your own eyes and even give you some water to sample. There is absolutely no downside to owning any one of our ionizers. The next few slides will show you some of the numbers that will put one of our industry-leading Kangen water ionizers aboard your baby today.